A. Directions in the question symbols at the rate, hash, dollar, star and percentage are used with different meaning as follows. A at the rate B means A is not smaller than B. Not smaller than means greater than or equal to. A star A hash B means A is neither smaller than nor equal to. అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? neither smaller than అంటే smaller than అనేది కాదు. సో greater than. A dollar B means A is neither greater than nor smaller than. అంటే అటు గ్రేటర్ కాదు ఇటు స్మాలర్ కాదు, ఉన్నది ఏంది ఇంకోటి ఈక్వల్. A is not greater than B means smaller than or equal to. A is neither greater than nor equal to smaller. Okay. In each of the following questions, assuming the given statement to be true, find out which of the two conclusions one given below them is or are definitely true. J. What is at the rate is the greater than or equal to K. What is the percentage? Less than M. Hash greater than T. What is the K percentage? T. K at the rate greater than or equal to T. K less than T. So no. K greater than or equal to T. ఇది దాంట్లో అంటే ఇలా వచ్చినప్పుడు ఈదర్ ఆర్ ఫాలో అవుతుంది. The next V star less than or equal to W, dollar equal to H, at the rate greater than or equal to I. V star less than or equal to I less than or equal to W. V less than or equal to I, this is not one. Double greater than or equal to I less than or equal to double. This is follows. Only true. Second one is follows. Which of the following is the third letter from the right hand of the meaningful word formed from the first, fourth, fifth, eighth letters of the word strategy? If more than one word is formed, your answer will be Z. First one is the yes. Second, third, fourth A, fifth T, sixth, seventh, eight. One word is stay, only one word. So third letter from the right hand meaningful word is stay. So T is the option and D another option. There are 5 persons P, Q, R, S and T. If S is shorter than T, T or P is shorter than S. P is taller than W. W is taller than P. T and P are shorter than S. W is taller than Q. Who is not the taller than P? P is not taller. P is not taller than Q. So P is shorter than. Q is taller than only 2 persons. P is not the tallest. There are 5 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Q is taller than only 2 persons. Okay, Q is this one. P is not the tallest. Q is taller than T. T is taller than. T is taller than Q. Then 2 possibilities. Who is not the taller than P? P is taller than T and P is shorter than all. S is shorter than T and P. T or P is shorter than S. Yes. this is not a possibility. P is the 1. P is not the tallest, so P. R is the remainder. Second tallest person among all, P. This is the direction. Point S is 40 meters towards the north of point P. Q is 15 meters towards the west of point S. Point U is 25 meters towards the west of point S. Point T is 20 meters towards the south of point Q. Point R is 15 meters towards the east of point T. Point V is 15 meters towards the west of point P. Point P is north of point S is the 40. Then point S to the west of point Q is 15 meters. Then point S is the west towards then 10 centimeters. Then U. The 25 meters. Point Q is south of point T is the 20 centimeters. Point T east of point R is the 15 meters. Point V is 15 meters towards to the west of P. P is west of V, 15 meters. P is in which direction with respect to R? R with respect to P. South direction. If a person walks 10 meters towards the east of U, U की east lo 10 meters, then he takes a right turn. Which of the following points will be reached first? First reach is the T. U నుంచి 10 meters ఈస్ట్లోకి ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుండు. అయితే రైట్ టర్న్ తీసుకుంటే ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ అనేది ఏ రీచ్ పాయింట్ అవుతుంది? దిస్ ఈస్ ద బాక్స్ బేస్డ్ పజిల్. 8 boxes are placed one above another in the stack. Each box is different color, that is white, pink, yellow, orange, green, grey and blue, but not necessarily in the same order. 2 boxes are placed between box E and box B, which is a orange color. The box B is the orange color. One box is placed between box E and pink color. Box A is placed just above green color box. Green color की just above box A. Blue color box is placed just above white color box. More than 3 boxes are placed between B and H. This means minimum 3 ఉండాలి or more than 3 అన్నాడు. అంటే 4 boxes ఉండొచ్చు, 5 boxes ఉండొచ్చు. Box B placed above the pink color box. Red color box is placed above the orange color box. One box is placed between blue color box and green color box. Blue color box is not placed just above and below E. అంటే ఈకి above and below blue color box అనేది ఉండదు. 4 boxes are placed between D and yellow color box. Box D is not a red color. Box C is placed above box F and below G. That means F is above C, G is below C. Neither box F nor box H is pink color. F and H is పింక్ కలర్ కాదు. ఎఫ్ డస్ నాట్ లైక్ గ్రీన్ కలర్. సో స్టార్ట్ ది పజిల్. There are how many boxes? 8 boxes. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Two possibilities. Two boxes are placed between E and B, which is a orange color. Box B is a orange color. One box is placed between E and pink color. More than 3 boxes are placed between box B and box H. More than 3 boxes. Minimum 3 undali. Above 3. Suppose box B is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes gap తీసుకుంటే B and H. Or another one. B 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 3 boxes అన్నాడు. సో ఇలా. And 2 boxes are placed between B and E. B and E 2 boxes. B is a orange color. B and E 2 boxes. One box is placed between E and pink color. E and pink color. There is a 2 possibilities. Suppose one directly E and pink. Box A is placed just above green color box. Not a certainty. Blue color box is just above white color box. White color box, there is a certainty. Box B is placed above pink color box. Pink color box above B. Pink color box is below ఉంది కాబట్టి wrong. Red color box is placed above orange color box. Orange above red color. One box is placed between blue color box and green color box. Blue color box is not just below and above and below E. Blue no అంటే above and below అనేది రాదు. సో సపోజ్ బ్లూ E అనుకుంటే 4 boxes are placed between D and yellow. D and yellow, not a certainty. Box D is not a red color. D is not a red color. C is placed above F and below G. F above C, G below C. This is the one. GCF. GCF. Okay. F and H is not a pink color. F and H is not a pink color. Then F does not a green color also. So 2 boxes are placed between E and B. B is a orange color. One box is placed between E and pink. Green is above A. Suppose green is there. Green is above A. Green is above A. So there is a 2 possibilities. Then pink is above B. Okay. Red color box is above orange color. Okay. One box is placed between blue and green. Blue and green is a 1 box. Blue color box is not below above. Okay. 4 boxes between D and yellow. Suppose D is a pink color. yellow, a bottommost box. Box D is not a red color. D is not a red color, so D is there. GCF is, this is the order. So G, C, F. Remaining one box in, oh, there are two colors. F and H is not a pink. F and H is not a pink. F does not a green. Okay. Remaining colors white and grey. C. White is just above blue. Then remaining. Okay. This is the alphanumeric series. If positions of second and third digits of the numbers are interchanged, then how many numbers will be formed? Even numbers will be formed. Even numbers in, suppose 763. Second and third digits are interchanged. This is the even number. 925. This is not a even number. 1. 814. 2. This is not a even number. This is not a even number. So, two even numbers formed. What will be the difference when the third digit of third lowest number is multiplied with the second digit of the highest number, and third digit of the second highest number is multiplied with the second digit of the lowest number? Difference between the third digit of the third lowest number. What is the third lowest number? This is the first lowest, second lowest, third lowest is the third digit. Third lowest number is third digit is the 3 is multiplied second digit of the highest number. What is the highest number? 952. Second digit is 15 minus third digit of the second highest number. Second highest number, third digit is 1, is multiplied with the second digit of the lowest number. Lowest number of the second digit is 9. 15 minus 9 equal to 6. If all the numbers are arranged in ascending order left to right, then which of the following will be the sum of all the three digits of the number which is third from the right in the new arrangement? If all the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Ascending order means 391 is the first, second 695, third one 763, 841, 952. Which of the following will be the sum of all the three digits of the numbers which is third from the right? This is the third kada. So 16. 16 is the answer. E is the option. If all the digits in each of the numbers are arranged in increasing order within the number, then which of the following number will become the lowest in the new arrangement of numbers? The digits numbers is arranged in digits. So increasing order, it is not a decreasing. Increasing order means 1, 2, 3. Decreasing means 3 to 1. So 367, 259, 148, 569, 139. So lowest number. What is the lowest number? 139. B. 391. This is the coding decoding. What is the mi and what is the code for easy? So this is a mi. Easy path to win అంటే mi is the win and easy path jaw. Okay, 2 add no. What is the easy? 2 there is the 3 twos. 2 means add. Okay, easy means no, there is something wrong. Equal to ad. If f equal to 6 and 5 is coded as 10, then what is the code for found? What is that one? F equal to how much? 6 by 1 అంటే 1 alphabet equal to 6. Fight. F means 6 plus I 9. G means 7. H means 8. T means 20. Total add these values: 28, 35, 41, 50. 50 by how many alphabets? 5 equal to 10. So found, what is the found? What is the f? If f equal to 6 and 5 is quoted as 10, then what is the code for found? F అంటే ఎంత? వాల్యూ 6. E అంటే ఎంత? హౌ మచ్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ E? Alphabet is equal to 5. So f equal to 6. Then fight. F means 6. I, G is the 7. H is the 8. So I is the 9. So U is the 21, T is the 20. Then add these values. Total 28, 35, 44, 50. 50 by how many alphabets? 5. So 10. Then found. F equal to 6. What is the U? 15. U is 21, O is 15, N is 14, D is 4. Is the 26, 36, 42, 46, 56, 60. 60 by 5 equal to 12. 12 is the C option. How many pairs of letters are there in the word examine, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as in the English alphabetical series, only in forward direction, only right hand side, not a left hand side. అయితే ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేస్తాడు ఇన్ ద ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ సిరీస్ బోత్ ఫార్వర్డ్ అండ్ బ్యాక్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్ అని మెన్షన్ చేస్తాడు. ఇందులో ఓన్లీ ఫార్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్. సో ఎగ్జామైన్, how many? 1, E, F, G, H, I 1, then A, B, C, D, E, okay, N, O, P, M, N, O. So 2 pairs. A is the option. How many pairs of letters are there in the word railway, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as in the English alphabetical series, only in a forward direction. What is a railway? A B C D E, no. A B C D E, no. W X Y, so one pair. R S T U V W X, so one pair is there. Only C is the option. According to an encryption code, question is and answer is, what is the code for solution? So this is the question, is code for this one. సో ఇది ఎలా వస్తుందంటే QU మీన్స్ UQ అంటే టూ ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ ఆర్ రివర్స్డ్, అంటే ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ ఆర్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్డ్, దెన్ థర్డ్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్ ఆర్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్డ్, 5 and 6 ఆర్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్డ్, 7 and 8 ఆర్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్డ్, సో ఆన్. సో సొల్యూషన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో OSULITNO. OSULITNO. So C is the option. Okay. A certain number of persons are sitting in the linear row facing north. This is the north direction. అంటే నెంబర్స్ అనేటివి మెన్షన్ చేయలేడు. 2 persons are sitting between L and M. More than 2 persons are sitting between N and L. Q sits exactly between N and O. The number of persons sitting to the left of P is the same as the right of O. P sits thought to the left of T. Only 2 seats are to the right of Q. The number of persons are sitting between L and M is half of the number of persons sitting between L and T. Who sits to the left of L? Q sits 7th to the right of M. The number of the seats to the left of T is one more than to the right of Q. A certain number of persons. Suppose more than 2 persons are sitting between N and L. ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ అని మెన్షన్ చేశాడు. ఓన్లీ 2 seats are to the right of Q. Only 2 seats are right to the Q. Then Q sits exactly between N and O. Q is 7th to the right of M. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So M. 2 persons are sitting between M and L. M and L. There are 2 persons. Suppose L and M. L and M. 2 persons are sitting between N and L. N and L లో more than 2 persons. అంటే 3 persons కావచ్చు, 4 persons కావచ్చు, 5 persons కావచ్చు. సో Q sits exactly between N and O. No. The number of persons sitting between P is the right of O. Okay. T is the third of P. The number of persons sitting between L and M is the half of the number of persons sitting between L and T. L and T is the 4 members ఉన్నారనుకో, L and M లో 2 members ఉండాలి. L and M లో 2 members ఉంటే L and T లో 4 members ఉండాలి. అంటే Lకి లెఫ్ట్లోనే T. 1 2 3 4. ఓకే. This is the completed. The number of the seats to the left of T is one more than to the right of Q. Q one more than అంటే 2 members, అంటే Tకి రైట్లో 3 members ఉండాలి. P is the ending. So this is also a completed point. The number of persons sitting to the left of P is the same right of O. P కి left లో no one gets it. O. T is thought to the left of P. Okay, thought to the left of P. Q sits exactly between N and O. N and O. Okay. Q and O, one person. N and Q, one person. So N and O, Q sits exactly. So more than two persons are sitting between L and N. L and N, more than two persons. Two persons are sitting between L and M. Okay. This is the puzzle. Total how many members? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 persons are there. These are the questions. Then next one. 10 persons are sitting around a circular table and faces outside but not necessarily in the same order. అంటే outside అనేది ఇచ్చాడు facing, not in inside. Two persons are sitting between R and Y. Three persons sitting between Y and W. Who is not an immediate neighbor of R? P sits thought to the right of S, and both of them are not an immediate neighbor of R and Y. R sits immediate left of V, who is not an immediate neighbor of S. One person sits between Q and X. Who does not sit immediate next to Y? T does not sit immediate next to P. This is a circular one. Then faces outside. There are 10 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 persons. Faces outside. Two persons are sitting between R and Y. Three persons are sitting between Y and W. W is not an immediate neighbor of R. So R and Y lo two persons. Suppose R is there. R and Y. Then three persons are sitting between Y and W. 1, 2, 3. R is not a neighbor of W. 1, 2, 3. Y and W. Okay. P sits thought to the right of S. Both of them are not an immediate neighbor of R and Y. R and Y ki P కాదు. P. Three possibilities. So P ఉంటే P sits thought to the right of S. S is the thought to the right of P. 1, 2, 3. S is the thought to the right of P. Then R sits immediate left of V, who is not a neighbor of S. S ki not a neighbor of V. V is the immediate left of R. V is the immediate left of R. Okay. One person sitting between Q and X, who does not an immediate next to Y. Y is the next to Q and X. Q and X is the one person is there. Q and X. X is not in immediate next to the Y. Okay. T does not sit immediate next to P. P immediate next to T. T is there. Then one person. P, Q, R, S, T, U. U. This is a fuzzy. These are the questions. Okay. In a certain code language, ground is written as spring is written as? How is pouring written in that language? What is the or? Or is the to? And wo, what is the wo for? What is the u? U is the 6. Or is the 2. P is the 5. Sorry guys. P is the 5. P is the 5. Then O is the 4. Then U. U is the 6. Then R is the 2. I. I is the 3. What is the N? Dollar. G at the rate 546.23. 546.23 dollar at the rate. C is the option.